Hello everyone, this is your first session for sports class. Today we will learn about what is basketball and its history and its dimensions. And I'm also going to teach you some warm-up exercises in this video. So let's start. Firstly, what is basketball? Basketball is a team sport where two teams usually consisting of players on each team play against each other on a rectangular court which is 28 by 15 meter. Each team tries to score by tossing the ball through the opponent's goal, an elevated horizontal hoop and net called a basket. The objective is to get the ball through a hoop mounted high on a backboard on the opponent's side of the court, while preventing the opponent from shooting it into your team's hoop. It is a very popular sport worldwide, played with a round and usually orange ball that bounces. Basketball players mainly use skills such as dribbling, shooting, running, and jumping. Each made basket is worth 2 points, while a basket made from beyond the 3-point line is worth 3 points. If a player gets into too much physical contact, they may be given free throws, which are worth 1 point each. The game typically lasts for 4 quarters, and the team with the most points at the end of the 4 quarters win the game. If the score tied at the end of the game, there will be something called overtime, which is additional play time to allow one team to win the match. Now, its history. In early December 1891, Dr. James Naismith, a Canadian physical education teacher at Springfield College in Springfield, invented an indoor game called basketball, the only major sport strict of US origin. Basketball was invented by James Naismith, 1861 to 1939, on or about December 1, 1891 at the International Young Men's Christian Association YMCA Training School, Springfield, where Naismith was instructor in physical education. For that first game of basketball in 1891, Naismith used as goals 2 half-bushel peach baskets, which gave the sport its name. Dr. James Naismith wrote the basic rules and nailed a peach basket onto a 10-foot elevated track. In contrast with modern basketball nets, this peach basket retained its bottom, and balls had to be retrieved manually after each basket or point scored. This proved inefficient, however, so the bottom of the basket was removed, allowing the ball to be poked out with a long dowel each time. Basketball was originally played with a soccer ball. These round balls from association football were made at the time, with a set of laces to close off the hole needed for inserting the inflatable bladder. After the other swing together's segment of the ball's cover had been flipped outside in. These laces could cause bounce passes and dribbling to be unpredictable. Eventually, a lace-free ball construction made was invented, and this change to the game was endorsed by Naismith. The first ball made specifically for basketball were brown, and it was only in the late 1950s that Tony Hinkle searching for a ball that would be more visible to players. Now, dimensions of basketball court. Basically, basketball court come in different sizes. In the National Basketball Association NBA, the court is 94 by 50 feet, 28.7 by 15.2 meter. Under International Basketball Federation FIBA rules, the court is slightly smaller, measuring 28 by 15 meter, 91.9 by 49.2 feet. In amateur basketball court, sizes vary widely. The field has several lines and markings. First, lateral line. Second, limit line. Third, central line. Fourth, line 3 points. Fifth, free throw line. Sixth, free throw circle. 7. Lane line. 8. Central circle. Now, basketball hoop. The baskets are always 10 feet above the floor. Basketball courts have 3 points arc at both baskets. A basket made from behind this arc is worth 3 points. A basket made from within this line or with a player's foot touching the line is worth 2 points. Now, it's time for warm-up exercises. Warm-up are a major part of preparing for sport and preventing injuries. Warm-up are designed to increase your body's mobility through active and dynamic movements so that muscle can stretch the distance they need during sport. So let's begin with first exercise. Lateral high knees. Move sideways up the court, lifting lead knee to hip height after every second step. Do this as quickly and as many times as possible. Continue 1/3 way down the court. Repeat in opposite direction with other leg. Next, glute kicks. Jog up the court, reaching and flicking or kicking glute with heel of feet. Continue up and back 1/3 of the court. Walking lunges. Ensure a 90-degree front knee bend, back is straight and knee and ankle in straight line. To half court and walk back. Next, single leg calf raises. Step forward, lift one knee hip height and raise opposite heel off the ground to stretch through calf. Go to half court and walk back. Next, walking lunges into calf raises. Straight from lunge, powerful push into single leg calf raise. Then back down into lunge with other leg. Go to half court and walk back. Note, this is a progression of previous two exercises and should only be performed once athlete is comfortable. Do not have to include all three in warm-up. Next, squats with side step. With back straight as possible, feet comfortable width apart. Squat in place, then side step twice. Turn 180 degrees and repeat. Ensure knees are not too far over toes. In straight line over ankles and feet are flat. Next, calf and gluteal stretch. In this exercise, gluteal cross leg over knee, single leg balance, aim to keep back straight, avoid leaning, knee tracking over ankle. Repeat again. Calf, toe pointed up, lean forward to stretch calf. Reach for toe with straight back. Avoid knee hyperextension. Next, Superman stretch. Bring foot to backside with one hand. Push hips forward to stretch quad. Lean forward and stretch arm out for balance. Keep body straight and not leaning. If falling over, release hand and put foot down. Avoid hopping. Go to half court. Next, sprint efforts. Begin with fast feet on the spot. Then on go, full effort sprint to the 3-point line. Repeat going backwards and sideways. So that's it for today. See you in the next class.